Greetings. My name is Craeg Strong. I'm CTO of Aerial Partners and a certified Kanban coach and trainer. I would like to invite you to come to a hands-on workshop I'm holding this August at the Kanban Global Summit. Now, the workshop is called Now You See It. So what's that all about? Well, by now, most of you have probably heard about the amazing results that some organizations are achieving through Kanban. Well, guess what? We can do that too. So in this workshop, we're going to dive right in and explore different ways that we can use to visualize the flow of work in your organization. I'll present a number of different board configurations and different usage patterns that can help teams better understand the work, prioritize and order it, and manage dependencies, and coordinate with other teams. So besides the team level stuff, I'll also go over some examples at higher levels, showing how we can coordinate the efforts of a bunch of teams, showing an entire portfolio of work, and managing organizational strategy right there at the top. Now, as we talk about these boards at different levels, we'll also go over some of the patterns for how to connect them together. And this is how we connect strategy to execution. So we'll start out simple and progressively add more elements, moving things around to highlight different aspects. And that's going to help us pay more attention to the things that we want to be paying attention to. Now, I've held this workshop a number of times in the past, but this time I'm particularly excited to report that we'll be doing something brand new. Now, in the past, I've always demonstrated different board designs using a whiteboard, but this time we're going to actually show what these board designs look like using some popular online tools. So why this change? Well, there's a couple of reasons. First, the obvious one, we're all working remotely more than ever before. So in many cases, it's just not practical to use a physical board like it was in the past. Now, second, we are living in a golden age of tools. They've gotten so much better than they ever were before. So I've been working closely with a number of tool vendors, and I have to say that they continue to surprise me with some very creative solutions to get around various limitations. Now, I really believe that we're getting close to being able to do everything in an online tool that we could do historically using a whiteboard. So I hope that you will join me at the Kanban Global Summit on August 24th in San Diego. We'll see you there.